Hello YouTube. Today's video is about this jigsaw. It's a challenge extreme. The model number is MJ7126. Right, 230 volt is coded jigsaw, and it has a variable speed. On the top you can see it's maximum. Right, how to change the blade is this T shank. It's not T shank, it's a U shank blade. So if you can see it, so this sort of blade it would fit in. Right, so what you do, if I show you, yeah, this part it has a twist bit, so just twist it to the left. Now I'll show you from this angle. Twist all the way to the left, and then the blade, the sharp side out, you slide it in, push it all the way, and release the button, and the blade is now in. You see, I'm just holding it from the blade, it's hanging. Right, so hope you like the video. So if you like it, please subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.